This is some quality right here, man. I ain't even yo, damn dog, plushy on this. We got some premium here for you. Retrogod back with another one, and on today's episode, we're looking at the 2015 white metallic, and like, damn, I gotta turn back Thanos, Infinity Gauntlet, Time Stone, because we got to take a look at these, man. The qualities on our front, crazy. The quality's crazy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. You already know it helps me out in the algorithms. Let's hit the turntable and see what these hoes are made of. Woo. All right, YouTube family, let's take a look at these all white Pablo Escobars, Cocaina, Scarface, Frank Whites. I love that Narco show. I'm not sure what happened to it, but I was stuck on that show for a minute. And I gotta say, I'm just super happy with the build quality of these joints, man. Anyways, these are back from 2015 when they used to put good materials and decent quality materials on it. But man, I gotta say, you can already tell just by looking at these shoes that the tumble leather, they're wicked, dog. These are clean. Like, I don't even know what to say about this. This is one of those ones where, yo, step on a man's shoe, you catch your deaf eyes. Whoosh. Can't go wrong with this. Only thing is that it's hard to keep an all white sneaker white, and let's find out why. So these haven't been worn by my friend yet, obviously super clean, but already you can start to see certain defects starting to poke through. Now even the glue is starting to turn color, as you can see there. We got a couple boogers there in the eye stay section, but that's basically the glue turning color just due to age. But man, when you're talking about an upper boy, like, dog, the leather and the build quality on this is second to none. When you're talking even about how thick the cuts of leather are, man, like, that's a really thick cut of leather there. These are some people's grails. These fives, man, and for some reason I got bad luck with fives. Every time I get a five, it either goes missing or it's the wrong size or there's a defect or something. So I ain't got no fives yet, so thanks to the sponsor. I don't want to say it's super plush because of how thick the leather is, but the tumbling on it is definitely not a print. This is actually really tumbled leather because you can see defects and flaws in the actual the actual material itself. We know what the fives have in them, man. We know what the tech setup is. It's just, this is a little bit different. And then, I wish they made shoes like this. I ain't even gonna hold you, man. I wish they made shoes like this still. Now, anyways, let's take a look at it real quick. This outer portion obviously is doing a really good job of staying white, well, mainly because it hasn't been worn. I'm trying to get my mans to wear these. You got a silver 23 stitched in black and silver, obviously. Silver midsole, and you have your visible air unit there. That's gonna be one of the things that starts turning color first. For today's episode, I'd like to give a big shout out to my sponsor, Canadian Cannabis Collective, the only place to go for all your cannabis needs. If I smoke amnesia haze, am I actually gonna catch amnesia? I got a review to do still. They should have called this Rhoda Kush. Anybody else get the sweats? Now here you'll notice that we have your icy outsole with a silver flaring there, and that's obviously one of the details on the shoe that was meant to resemble a fighter plane. Now we have a 3M tongue with the Jordan brand symbol, and that's going to be highly reflective, man, especially when you're wearing all white. These things are like space shuttles. All white laces, and you have your clear lace lock here with a silver lace unit, lace lock unit. But yeah, man, I mean, you can't really go wrong. Air Jordan here on the inside, and this is kind of like slightly tinged blue, this white here. But yeah, man, the cocaine whites, dog, you can't go wrong, man. All white shoe. No, seriously, I think I'm still high from the last time I did this review. You have your Jordan branding on the back, and you know how people really do like that Nike Air branding instead of the Jordan branding. It just is what it is, man. I'm not super picky on that. It depends on the shoe though. Super icy outsole, clearly DS, and Jordan brand is just encased in ice right there. You know what I mean? Like on some Ice Age type shit. You got a slightly black front portion of the outsole underneath the toe guard there. Jordan branding on the outsole, and I mean, you have your icy heel section. Did you guys miss out on these? Did you miss out on these? I missed out on these too. I'm kind of sad, but it's really nice to have them in hand, thanks to my sponsors. As I said, man, when it comes to these genuine leather uppers, you can see that there's definitely there's imperfections in the uppers and the actual leather itself, but that's just because it's real leather, man. You can actually see the veins, and if I scratched into it, you'd be able to see the pores too. So I mean, this is what they need to go back to, man. They need to go back to actual premium leather shoes, because these wear in so nice and they give it that vintage look. Now when my man's actually does get to wearing these, my lad is gonna actually really like these and break these in. I ain't gonna do on foot for these, unfortunately, because they're not mine. I gotta send these back to the owner. But what do you guys think of how premium this leather is? Like, you're not getting this again. You're not getting this again. You know what? And that's another reason why I collect the retros, because I find on average the materials are better back 2015 and before that. You still got some quality releases, because Jordan and Nike wasn't like pressing stuff out every 2 seconds. You know what I mean? They were actually taking their time with some of these shoes, and I can tell by the thickness of some of these cuts of leather. If I take the shoe tree out, it gets even crazier. So that's keeping the shape. But anyways, man, what do you guys think of this premium quality like leather? Like, you can see it's starting to crack. It's just real leather. This is real leather, dog. You know what I mean? You got your white eye, let's say eye stay section, and you can obviously choose which hole you go into, and you have your white mesh underneath there as well, underneath the tongue. But man, these are basically fuego. You can't go wrong with these, man. The cocaine white Pablo Escobar Frank Whites, you know what I mean, with the 3M spaceship shuttle on the front. I'll smoke weed in my videos, man. I don't care. This is what it is. I'm gonna do what I want, man. So take it or leave it, dog. You can't go wrong. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section if these are bangers. 2015, we rewound and gave you guys a real retro, because we know that's what you guys want. I am the retro god, so it's what I'm supposed to do, right? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you guys wish they would return with these premium ass materials that they used to use on the 5s, because we seen the new 5s that came out, and it's looking like they're just slowly letting the quality slip on those, unfortunately. That's it for today. Hope you guys like the review. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, if these are fire or not. I really am into these premium materials these days, man, because as Nike and Jordan brands start shooting these out every 2 minutes, you're kind of getting undercut on the quality, and these are a welcome change. So really glad to see these. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. These are aging well. I don't see no signs of yellowing after 6-7 years, dog. Like, apparently they don't make them like they used to.